Creative Kids channel. Good afternoon, Mr. John.
Good afternoon, Emily.
Mr. John, what kind of apples do you have?
We have Red Delicious, Granny Smith, and Gala apples today.
Are these oranges sweet?
Absolutely, they're fresh and juicy.
How much are the bananas?
$1 a bunch.
Do you have any carrots with their green tops?
Sure do, they are perfect for snacking.
This tomato looks really red. Is it ripe?
Yes, it's perfectly ripe and ready for a sandwich.
What are these green things?
Those are zucchinis. You can use them for spaghetti or grill them.
Wow, that watermelon is huge.
It is perfect for sharing with friends and family.
Do you have any berries?
We certainly do. We have blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries.
These grapes look purple. Are they grapes?
You got it. They are juicy purple grapes.
Are these cookies chocolate chip?
They are. We have them fresh out of the oven today.
This bread looks soft. Can I touch it?
Gently, please. It's a sourdough loaf, perfect for toast.
Do you have any cupcakes with sprinkles?
We have all sorts of flavors, rainbow sprinkles, chocolate sprinkles, you name it.
Do you sell birthday cakes?
We do. We can even write a special message on them.
These muffins look really healthy.
They are, made with whole wheat and blueberries.
Do you have any cookies without nuts?
Sure do. We have sugar cookies and oatmeal raisin cookies.
This pie looks yummy. What kind of pie is it?
It's an apple pie, a classic dessert.
Do you have any chocolate milk?
We have chocolate, strawberry, and vanilla milk.
This yogurt looks really pink. What flavor is it?
That's strawberry yogurt. It's packed with fruit.
How many eggs come in the carton?
A carton usually has 12 eggs.
What kind of cheese do you have?
We have cheddar, mozzarella, and Swiss cheese.
This orange juice looks cloudy. Is it fresh?
It is. It's freshly squeezed orange juice, full of vitamins.
Do you sell apple juice boxes?
We do. They're perfect for lunchboxes.
What's the difference between milk and yogurt?
Milk is a drink, and yogurt is a thicker food made from milk.
Can I have some sliced cheese?
Sure, we can slice cheese for you.
Are these eggs free range?
Yes, they come from free-range hens.
Are these blocks for building?
Yes, they are perfect for building anything you can imagine.
How much is this teddy bear?
That teddy bear is $10.
Do you have any puzzles?
We have puzzles with different numbers of pieces for all ages.
What kind of cars are these?
These are remote-controlled cars. They are lots of fun to race.
Are there any board games for 2 players?
Yes, we have several board games that are great for 2 players.
Do you sell dolls?
We have many kinds of dolls, including baby dolls and fashion dolls.
What is this robot toy?
That's a programmable robot. You can make it move and talk.
Do you have any science kits?
We do. They are great for learning and experimenting at home.
Can I get a kite to fly?
Yes, we have colorful kites that are perfect for a windy day.
Do you have any picture books?
Yes, we have a wide selection of picture books for young readers.
Are there any books about dinosaurs?
We have several books about dinosaurs, both fiction and non-fiction.
How much is this comic book?
That comic book is $5.
Do you have any fairy tale books?
We have many fairy tale books with beautiful illustrations.
Are there any books with animal stories?
Yes, we have many books that feature animals as the main characters.
Can I find books about space?
Yes, we have books about space, planets, and astronauts.
Do you have any t-shirts?
Yes, we have t-shirts in many colors and sizes.
Thanks for watching. For watching more kids educational videos, subscribe Innovative Kids channel.